it's Jackie! And here I am. Look at this. Look at this look. That's right. It's the second look in the Aftershock palette. So yeah, if you like the look I created, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget, before you leave, subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. And hit the bell to become part of the #notification nation and be alerted as soon as my videos go up. So yeah, let's just get started. So, Aftershock look number 2. Okay, so I'm thinking we do a little matte eye look with this today. So I've already primed my eyes with some Bad Habit eye primer. And I'm gonna start off with Electronica. This is a beautiful yellow. And that is gonna go, it's gonna be our transition shade. So I was just like, oh boy, that is pigmented. I was just like, this is day 4 of not washing my hair, and I'm not like, I usually wash my hair every other day. Like, I don't wash it every day, but I do wash it every other day. And this is day 4 since I've washed it, and I don't know how people do it. I really don't. It's driving me nuts. It doesn't want to do anything. It feels, I mean, I put dry shampoo in it, but it just, it doesn't feel, I don't know, it's driving me nuts. It makes me want to go wash it like right now. But I'm going to try not to. Okay, make sure we got that all laid down. Make sure it's poppin'. We want it to be poppin', y'all. Poppin'. Oh my goodness. This look, chances are, not matching my shirt. It is not gonna match my sweater. Sometimes I'll be like too matchy, and then sometimes it'll be not even close. And yeah, that's just how I roll, I guess. Okay, now we're gonna go on the crease and on the lid with this color. It is the Chaser. So you guys are actually watching this video on my birthday. Holla, 35, still alive. Oh yeah. Okay, now we're gonna go in the outer corner with this pink color, Tingle. What an interesting name, Tingle. Maybe we deepen that just a little hair. We're going to take this pencil brush, number 4, by Bad Habit. And we're going to go into this Surge, that dark pink. You just kind of use it just the outer V. Go back into Tingle, blend it in a little. Go back into Chaser. sure it's really on there. Some clean brush clean brush blending the edges. Let's do a little cleaning up here. Got some fallout, which is why we did our eyes first. And it's very bright colored. It's interesting. I don't hate it. I don't hate it. I feel like I want to do a pencil liner and kind of smudge it a little. Let's do that. I'm not feeling the liquid today, so I'm using a Wet n Wild eyeliner in black. Yeah. Let's do that. Maybe. I think we're smudging this. Holy moly. Hello. Need to warm it up a little, maybe? There we go. Oh my goodness. I know you're not supposed to do this, but sometimes I just have to get the liner to go where I want it, because I have loose skin, eyelids. What are we going to use? We're going to use this. We're going to use this one. This one's already been used. Got an itch. A giant bruise, man. It just won't go away. It's been there forever. I don't even know how I did it. I'm sure I whacked my arm on something. I'm always whacking my arm on something. But dang. Okay, now let's take this little smudger brush and just kind of run it along the liner. Just kind of make it a little messy. Now I'm going to pop on lashes, do the rest of my face, and we'll be back to do the bottom lash line. Stay tuned. Okay, so now that my face is all done, let's move on to the bottom lash line. And I'm going to take some of that tingle right there. And I am going to put that on the bottom lash line. And now I'm going to take the Electronica, which is the yeller. We're going to use the yeller. It's going to turn that pink some orangey, but we're going to go a little below. In the outer corner, like a third of the way, I'm going to use that Surge color, that dark pink. If you're wondering how I do my face makeup and how I combat that redness I have, stay tuned for tomorrow's video because I have a whole face tutorial on how I do all that. So yeah, it's something you may need to know. This is looking interesting. Yeah, let's get a Q-tippy and the brow lift pencil because we want to keep it nice and bright. Okay, now we're going to use the E.L.F. mascara, waterproof. That's it. We're done. So that is the second Aftershock palette look. And I think it turned out quite nicely. Doesn't match my sweater, but whatever. I don't know. So, yeah, that's it for today's video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't yet. You don't want to miss out on my videos. And hit the little bell to become part of the hashtag Notification Nation and be alerted as soon as my videos go up, which is Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, 10 a.m. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Next, we will be diving into After Charge. I'll give you a little peek at that. This one's also going to be a bit of a challenge because they are all glitters or shimmers. There are no mattes in this palette. So make sure you stay tuned next Tuesday to find out how that worked out, how we made two looks with this bad boy. Okay, so yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.